In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to curve text in Canva. This quick and simple guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring that your text stands out in your project with a creative flair. So, whether you're sprucing up a presentation, designing a flyer, or working on any graphic project, this curved text technique will certainly add a unique touch. Let's dive right in. To begin with, ensure you're logged into your Canva account and have your project open and ready. On your canvas, start by selecting the text you've added. If you haven't done so already, simply click on the text box to highlight it. You should see a border appear around your text with handles for resizing. This indicates that the text is selected and ready for modification. Next, direct your attention to the top of the screen and locate the toolbar. Here you will find an option labeled Effects. It's relatively easy to spot right next to the font style and size settings. Clicking on Effects will open a menu with a plethora of styling options for your text. These effects are great for emphasizing your text or giving it a distinctive look. However, today we're focused specifically on the curve feature. In the effects option menu, you'll notice different text styling features. Go ahead and select curve. It's often found towards the bottom of the list, so you might need to scroll down just a bit. Once you click on it, you'll see your text transform instantly into a curved shape on your canvas. Now, isn't that a game changer? After selecting the curve option, you'll notice a slider or input box that appears. This feature allows you to adjust the degree of the curve. By moving the slider to the right, you can create more pronounced arcs, while sliding it to the left diminishes the curvature. Take a moment to adjust the curve to suit your design's needs. Don't hesitate to experiment a little here, you might be surprised by what you discover. And there you have it. You've successfully added a curve to your text, giving your design an artistic edge that's sure to capture attention. Curved text is especially useful for creating logos, eye-catching titles, or playful elements within your design projects. Remember, practice makes perfect, so feel free to explore and try different curvatures to really make the most of this tool. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful in enhancing your Canva skills. Be sure to like and subscribe for more creative tips and techniques. Happy designing!